Well, it's probably only been 1, 2, maybe 3 years, and we finally actually have some specs on this bike, the 2024 Triumph TF250X. And the biggest tagline you want to say about this is the class-leading power-to-weight ratio. At least that's what they say. Um, there's a lot on this bike. I'm going to leave a link to what I'm reading off from dirtbikelover.com in the description below. So if you want to get more in depth about it, you can actually go in and read all of the specs and everything, because there's a lot to this. Some of the big parts are the accessories you can get. They've apparently have a full Akrapovic titanium exhaust you can get right off the bat, a whole shot device, a launch control module, Wi-Fi module, whatever. Uh, performance gripper seat and seat cover. That's not really exactly an accessory to me, and a bodywork replacement kit. So there is some stuff out of this. If you're looking to buy a bike straight off of the showroom floor and go racing with it, if you get all the accessories, you probably have a pretty good, good sounding bike. If you got a whole shot device, helpful, and launch control module. And I'm going to say this, it's an Athena LC GPA, which I know nothing about. So in the comments below, if you know it's a good one or whatever, comment it. Launch control module with rider selectable enhanced traction control and launch control settings and LED engine speed indicator. Yes, that sounds nice, doesn't it? Obviously, this is what they say a 100% Triumph bike. This is not a copy of anything or whatever. This is all of them, all their design and everything, but who knows if that's actually true or not. And if you're looking to buy one of these, you can get the bike from a starting price of $9,995. So let's call it 10 grand. Like, let's be honest. And if you're gonna buy one of these bikes and you're gonna be racing it, you're gonna be probably looking, who knows, 2,500. I don't know. Apparently it weighs 229 pounds. It has all of the characteristics of a 250 with a 249.95 cc engine, aluminum chassis, all the blah, 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 blah. Again, like if you want to get really into it, the bore sizes and all that stuff, you can go in the description and click the link. I'll leave that down there for you. But this is exciting. I mean, obviously, this bike we won't see in the US this year, I don't believe, with the whole Joey Savacci and that situation going on right now. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll leave a card in the top right hand corner for that, up right here. But hopefully we see this bike. Well, we'll see it in motocross. I don't think we'll see it in supercross. So motocross, we're looking forward to it, and then next year I hope the full team, 450 and everything. But it's exciting. Obviously, like I've said since this bike got announced, and other bikes, other teams, also, it's exciting. Factory squad, factory parts, factory money, with more rides for more people. It's gonna be good, because anytime you can get a big name company, there it is, brand or whatever, coming in, it's going to be good. It's not going to be somebody who you expect one year to be here and the next year to not because of some financial problems. No, if they're going to put this much money into developing it, they're going to want to race it and show that it's good and show that you should buy it. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, are you excited for this? Could you care less? Are you going to stick with one of your, Japanese brands, or, one of the founding brands, however you want to say it? Or are you actually going to switch over to one of these and maybe test it out? But whatever it is, comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.